Even if the deadline for franchise consolidation of public utility vehicles will be tomorrow, April 30, the Transport Group Manibela is still not losing its hope that the franchises of traditional jeepneys will be revoked right after the deadline. Its chairman, Mar Valbuena, revealed that they have discussion with Congress and the Senate on possible extension of franchise. While negotiation is on the way, they will not join the Transport Group Piston. While negotiation is on the way, they will not join the Transport Group Piston in their 3-day transport strike which is scheduled until May 1.
Meron ding inihahandang pag-uusap ang Kongreso at sa Senado na ipinaalam din sa atin. Ito po yung inaasahan natin na magiging negosasyon para tayo po ay ma-extend. So, ang pangit naman na may negosasyon tapos ay magi-strike pa rin kami.
According to Valbuena, they continue their clamor to the President to scrap the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program or PUVMP. They appeal that instead of conducting forced consolidation, the government should give operators their free will to join transport cooperatives. He mentioned that even if they were not consolidated, they have modernized a traditional jeepney and retained its iconic look, emphasizing the absence of subsidy from the government.
Itigil na yung consolidation pero ipagpatuloy yung aming prangkisa, ipagpatuloy yung aming mga provisional authority. Ang sabi nga sa Congress, walang basihan na yung aming mga prangkisa ay palitan ng provisional authority.
The Department of Transportation or DOTR is firm with the deadline of consolidation tomorrow. After the deadline, traditional jeepneys which are not consolidated will be considered as colorum vehicles. They may still ply their routes come May 1, but they will still end up with the revocation of their franchise.
Ang pinaka-endpoint sa consolidation is April 30. After that, pwede ka pa pumasada, pero pag binigay na sa iyo yung revocation, even the consolidation, hindi mo na pwedeng magawa.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.